We just gon' no, we can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, I just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, going all in and I won't stop winning, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint. I met a true bookie in the state of my mind. Now I know a lot of rookies coming over for the title, but I don't wanna fight, I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah, do it for the price. Take it like a man, I don't take advice. Putting money on the table like a Russian with the spice. We just go no, you just can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, you just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, going all in and I won't stop winning, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, let it all go and I won't stop winning, no, it can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, I just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, press, roll, pick up the goal, taking no loss in my city, no more, no stress, go, pick up the flow, paying no dues in my city no more. I got plenty more to say about the topic, the way I profit. I just went into the store and then I bought it. Yeah, you know, got it for the very low. All them new additions I've been putting on the payroll. All this, I get emotional just thinking about it. Last week I won the poker with my drinking buddies. All this money coming in and yeah, of course the limo ride. And I just hope to keep my focus how I live about it. No, it can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, no, you can't come close, yeah, no, yeah. We just go no, it can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, I just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, going all in and I won't stop winning, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint. I met a true bookie in the state of my mind. Now I know a lot of rookies coming over for the title, but I don't wanna fight, I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah, do it for the price. Take it like a man, I don't take advice. Putting money on the table like a Russian with the spice. We just go no, you just can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, you just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, going all in and I won't stop winning, whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it, let it all go and I won't stop winning, no, it can't come close, got it for the low, waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo, yeah, don't go, I just can't come close, I'm looking for the local, no, I don't wanna postpone, yeah, press, roll, pick up the goal, taking no loss in my city no more, no stress, go, pick up the flow, paying no dues in my city no more. I got plenty more to say about the topic, the way I profit. I just went into the store and then I bought it. Yeah, you know, got it for the very low. All them new additions I've been putting on the payroll. All regardless. I get emotional just thinking about it. Last week I won the poker with my drinking buddies. All this money coming in, and yeah, of course the limo ride, and I just hope